This cute, bright-eyed and curious snow leopard is settling into his new home at Chicago's Brookfield Zoo, ready to make his public debut in September. At the moment, the 2-month-old cub lives in an off-exhibit den where he spends time with his mother and occasionally poses for TV cameras. He's also yet to be named. The cub weighs about 10 pounds and is one of 140 snow leopards in zoos across North America. They're an endangered species. Conservation groups estimate there are only around 3,500 to 7,000 snow leopards remaining in the wild. But this little furry one will go on display as soon as he turns 3 months old.